today, I'm really looking forward to delving into outdoor kitchens. I think Matt might take the lead on this over me because I know that he's really keen with outdoor kitchens.
I'd like one.
Yeah, does a lot of outdoor cooking and wants one yourself. And Richard knows a lot about them, having been designing for a while, but also does a number of other things. So if you could tell us a little bit about you and KSL, that would be great.
Yeah, so we're based in Suffolk. 36 years old now. We started as kitchen only and built up bathrooms and bedrooms over the years. And about 5 years ago, we added outdoor kitchens after quite a bit of research. But we design, supply and install all of those areas now. And yeah, good fun. Especially the outdoor is good fun.
Yeah. So taking on outdoor kitchens, and obviously you say it's been in the last few years since people have spent more time at home, basically, and it's felt like the weather's been nice enough to.
Yeah.
What kind of differences have you found when it's come to doing the outdoor stuff rather than the internals?
First of all, definitely budgets and people's maybe perception of it. You've got some people who've only ever had a barbecue, $299, $599, those sort of prices, and then you're going into, full outdoor kitchens. But also the growth of gardens and garden designs. I think English gardens haven't been treated like probably they should in the millions of the homes